AI is changing everything, and 2025 is the perfect time to cash in. In this video, we're diving into 10 powerful online business ideas you can start using ChatGPT, even if you have zero experience or budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Your future business begins now. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a practical tool that's changing the way people work and make money. One of the most powerful and accessible tools is ChatGPT. Whether you're a solopreneur, freelancer, or someone with zero business experience, you can use ChatGPT to launch profitable online businesses in 2025. With the right strategy, creativity, and execution, ChatGPT can help you build, scale, and automate a digital business with low startup costs and high potential returns. Let's explore 10 realistic and actionable online business ideas you can start today using ChatGPT. 1. AI-powered content creation agency. Content is king in the digital world, and businesses are always in need of fresh blog posts, website copy, email newsletters, and product descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can build a content creation agency where you provide writing services for clients across industries. You can use ChatGPT to draft content quickly, then refine and polish it before delivering. You don't need to be a professional writer. ChatGPT can handle the structure and research while you focus on editing and client communication. Monetization tip. Offer packages on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly through your website. Upsell SEO optimization or content scheduling. 2. Ebook publishing with AI assistance. Self-publishing ebooks is a low-barrier business model. ChatGPT can help you generate outlines, write full drafts, and even suggest titles and marketing strategies. Choose a profitable niche such as personal finance, self-help, fitness, or productivity. Once the book is written and formatted, you can publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Gumroad, or your own site. Monetization tip. Sell your book for $2.99 to $9.99. Create multiple short guides to build a portfolio. Consider bundling and running promotions. 3. Social media management and content planning. ChatGPT can become your virtual assistant for building a social media agency. It can create content calendars, generate captions, write scripts for TikToks or Reels, and brainstorm viral post ideas. Offer your services to small businesses, coaches, or influencers who lack time or creative direction. Use AI to streamline your workflow and deliver high-quality, consistent content across platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or X, Twitter. Monetization tip. Charge monthly retainers for content creation and scheduling. Start with $300 to $1,000 per month per client, depending on deliverables. 4. Sell AI-generated digital products. Use ChatGPT to create digital products like planners, templates, checklists, scripts, or lead magnets. Combine with tools like Canva or Notion to design and deliver your products beautifully. Examples include weekly planners with motivational quotes, business pitch templates, email marketing swipe files, wedding planning checklists. Upload your products on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. Monetization tip. Focus on solving specific problems, e.g., startup business plan template, or daily anxiety journal for moms. Niche equals profits. 5. Launch an AI-based coaching or consulting business. If you're knowledgeable in a field like finance, fitness, marketing, or life coaching, ChatGPT can help you scale your expertise by creating client resources, FAQs, progress trackers, and even onboarding flows. You can automate client responses, build AI-powered quizzes, or generate tailored action plans. ChatGPT allows you to focus on your clients and strategy rather than administrative tasks. Monetization tip. Offer group coaching, one-on-one sessions, or tiered access to premium AI-powered resources for $50 to $1,000 per month depending on the niche. 6. Offer resume and cover letter writing services. Job seekers are constantly looking for polished resumes and cover letters tailored to specific roles. With ChatGPT, you can help them write professional, compelling application materials in minutes. Collect the client's job description and experience, then use ChatGPT to generate tailored content. Offer add-ons like LinkedIn profile optimization or interview prep scripts. Monetization tip. Charge $50 to $200 per resume bundle. Use LinkedIn and job seeker forums for marketing. 7. Start a YouTube automation channel. You can create faceless YouTube channels powered by ChatGPT. Use the AI to generate video scripts for trending topics in niches like personal finance, tech reviews, scary stories, or motivation. Pair the scripts with stock footage, AI voiceovers, like 11 Labs, and royalty-free music. Channels like these grow fast with consistent uploading and SEO optimization. Monetization tip. Earn from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Combine ChatGPT with tools like Pictory or Descript for full automation. 8. AI-powered email marketing agency. Email is still one of the highest ROI marketing tools. ChatGPT can help you create automated email campaigns, newsletters, subject lines, and sales copy for businesses. Start by offering email writing packages or full-service funnel building using platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Klaviyo. Monetization tip. Offer monthly packages starting from $300 to $2,000 per month. Niches like e-commerce and coaching pay more for converting email sequences. 9. Build and sell niche websites with AI content. Use ChatGPT to generate keyword-rich blog posts and build traffic-focused websites. Pick a niche with consistent search interest like travel, gadgets, pets, or health. Use website builders like WordPress, Squarespace, or Webflow. Once your site gains traffic, you can monetize via display ads, AdSense, affiliate marketing, or even flip the site on platforms like Flippa. Monetization tip. Some niche websites sell for 30x their monthly revenue. A site making $200 per month can sell for $6,000 plus. 10. Create online courses with AI support. Online learning is booming. With ChatGPT, you can outline, write, and structure entire online courses, without needing to be a professional educator. Whether it's how to start a freelance business, or productivity for busy moms, the key is offering value. ChatGPT helps create scripts, lesson plans, downloadable PDFs, and quizzes. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Thinkific make hosting easy. Monetization tip. Price your course between $29 to $299 depending on depth and niche. Upsell coaching, live workshops, or private community access. The tools are free, the timing is perfect, and now you've got the ideas. If you're serious about building an income stream with ChatGPT, pick one and start today. Drop a comment with your favorite idea, and subscribe for more real-world AI money tips. The digital revolution is here. Will you lead or follow?